Hi guys, this is unboxing of VK World S8 telephone. This is currently on sale on Tiny Deal, and the main feature of this telephone is that you don't have to order it from China. They have it for like $10 more on European warehouse. So you can buy it from European warehouse on Tiny Deal for about 4,000 Czech crowns. Okay, so you can see the logo, VK World S8. It is supposed to be a 599-inch telephone and has a bezel-less screen, 2.5D, and has Android 7.0. It is 4G telephone, and also it has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of ROM. Here's the instruction manual. It's in German. It's in German. Well, okay, better than in Chinese. And let's see what else we have in the box. Underneath the phone, there should be a charger. There's a charging cable, really short one. Oh no, it's USB-C adapter to 3.5 millimeter headphones. And then there's a charging cable. Should be standard USB-C charging cable. Not very interesting, and really nice charger. Very small. Let's open it. And it says VK World on it as well. Standard charger. Another instruction manual, or no, it's terms and conditions. We don't care about that. And another booklet which has starting to use, multimedia, blah, blah, blah. And it's in English. Great. Okay. As a gift with this phone, you get also screen protector and transparent case. Okay, but let's see the phone. Okay, there's also this thing so you can take out the SIM slot. Let's take the phone out of the paper and see what it looks like. First off, we have to peel the protective tape on front. Nice. And we have to peel the protective tape on the back of the phone. Okay, here's the real beauty. It's a bit heavy and it's a bit thick, but it has 5,500 milliamperes battery. So it's no wonder it's a bit heavier and thicker. So let's just turn this baby on and see what it looks like. Really nice. I must say that after 7 months of using Samsung S8 Plus, this phone looks really nice compared to S8 Plus. So it's booting right now. Okay, Android is preparing blah, 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 something. It has a 16 megapixel dual camera as well, and it should have Face ID. Of course, Face ID is nowhere near the Apple's Face ID, which is a 3D. It's probably only a camera Face ID, but it's still nice. So let's see what this baby, wow. Standard Android phone. So let's try to go to settings and see the version of Android. You see Model S8 version 7.0. We can click on Android and get the Nougat logo. So all in all, it looks pretty nice. And I will post in-depth review a bit later when I get the chance to test it out in real life. That's it. Thanks for watching.